Hello, folks. Guess what? Last time on a previous episode of Kanawaga's Utah Garage, I was doing this. The wires got stuck. But on another previous episode, I was doing this. I cut all the wires. And what happened was I ordered wire because when you're playing with wires, this happens. Of course, there's the vice grips in the way. Poor me, I got 10 pairs of vice grips in there. I should clean my bench because it's a freaking mess. I'll show you. I'll lower the video. The camera in a minute. Garbage. I'll lower my bench. Okay. I was taking apart wires. And the problem with these old wires is they're like, well, actually, there's one over there. It's even worse. This one's actually pretty bendy. The other one is like baling wire. So it's like baling twine. It's like, I don't know what's wrong with it. Is it this one? That one's a little softer. One of them is like ridiculously. So, me and my let's do more work with this. See all the little jingle bobbers there? Well, anyway, what I plan on doing, which I'm not sure if I can, I'm not sure if I can do it on all of these. Let me lower the thing here. If you look on here, these wires are, let me turn the light on. If you look on here, these wires are terrible. Some of them are cut. So what I did is, put this back up here now so you can see my face. I picked up some new wire. This is supposed to be Shindy wire, but this is Daytona. And the reason why it took so long is because if I go like this, I didn't know the exact same yellow one. This is a yellow with a red line. Oh, this one's yellow with a black dot. See? Shindy products. This one is a white one. And there's brown. Oh, it's this one right here. See? This is white with that. And this one is white and black. It's not almost the same. This one is brown and some other color. I think it's black and brown. So I got, where is it? Black and brown. Gotta match it. And then we got the white one, yellow. The yellow one is yellow and whatever. And this one's yellow and black. It's not quite the same, but then we got black with a white line. See? This is where it gets good. See? Because, where'd it go? Where did it go? Oh, here we go. Black with a white dot on there. I think I'm missing one. And there's blue, which is bright blue. Not exactly the same. And there's green. Green with a little dusky thing in there. I got some Shindy green. And then there's brown and black. But I think one of the brown, is it black? Black and brown. Am I missing one? Could have sworn maybe missing one. 2, 4, 6, 7. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's the other one. I'm missing one. There's one in my car. Yeah, anyway, there's supposed to be one more. Supposed to be one more. Black. I think one's still in the mail. Or I lost it. I don't know. Quite my car. But anyway, I got wires. Supposedly there's 13 feet of wire in here. I'm going to measure all these wires. Measure how long it is. I'm going to flat one out. See, the problem is I want to redo this because, see the problem right there? See that little problem? Right? I don't know if you can see this. See the little chunked out wire there? That's scrappy. And if you go over here, well, this is just a connection right here. And one of the other ones is, oh yeah, look at right here. See right here? But that's not my total goal. My total goal is, since I know how these, oh yeah, look here, here's another one. I also got this one, see, that little thing. I ordered the wrong kit. I have to order the little piece for this. But look, see? There, right on my forehead, see? There, I'll like this. See that? Right there, if you can see it. Stupid focus. Where's the camera? This side or that side? Here. Come on, camera, focus. Anyway, you get the point. There's a scraggly wire on there. The other reason is when you can take something ugly like this, and you know, it's kind of ugly, and you can change it to something less ugly like this. This is a genuine Honda part. It's made in Vietnam though, not Japan. And the only difference is the wiring. So I lopped all the wires off. I'm gonna put the same color wires to each thing on here, and to make it even more fun, I got one of these to finish almost all the ends, because stupid me, I forgot to order the little kit for this part. I'll order that part. Ta-da! And made in Japan, so there's less tariffs on the Japanese products. I just had to throw that in there. You know, less tariffs. 5 years from now, I'll be like, oh, what are you talking about tariffs? Look in the past. So then I got this one. The odd part is Amazon. If you go on eBay, these things are like 15, 13, 20 bucks. Some dude on Amazon sold them for $9.99. Thank you, sir. The other thing is he ran out of blue, so dude called me from Florida on Amazon. Was like, do you want a different color, or do you want to wait for the original? I was like, you know what? This is fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just I wanted similar colors because I really didn't feel like putting all of this in one color and then trying to figure it out later. At least it's somewhat decent. Plus, I have this right here, which is a pretty decent one. See, but it too, if I get the wire out of here, has some wiring issues, which, see, this one's nice. It's actually a nice, this is for, but I think this is busted right here. So I might reuse these. There's oh yeah, one of the wires is busted down here. So I'm thinking I'll use this on the everyday machine. I'll put this on there. Yeah, I wish that little piece wasn't broken, but it's, if I can find another cover, nice, I'll use it. But it's a good sample. I could also use the, what do you call it? Where is it? Oh, see, here's the difference. The genuine versus, look, you want to see slop in manufacturing? Here, I'll show you. This is a genuine Honda one. This is a $20 rebadge. Look at the difference. The color is off here. The white is all printed shitty. It still looks pretty decent, but quality control is definitely here with the Honda parts. Even the colors of this thing were shit. But it was good to look at. It was a good test. So with that said, that's what I'm doing. I don't think it'll take me too long, but I'm probably lying to myself because it's probably gonna take forever to get this thing, because the soldering thing holding. I also forgot that I don't think I have any solder remover, so that's gonna be a pain in my ass. But I'm just gonna put on there, and they're all pretty intricate soldering, so it's gonna be fun. Let me get this set away. I'll show you. I'll show you one of them. See, if you look at that, there's that little piece right here. There's a green wire on here, which has to be soldered. This one, the brand new one here, it has they're basically the same. This one just has different color components. The switch on here, they're not too small. Let me get this thing untangled for a second here. What the hell's going on? Oh yeah, how the hell is this thing tangled in there? Wait, I get it. Hold on. The switches are on the side here. You can see that. This one I might have to cut right off and just attach on this component. This switch has two. This end has to be totally redone because I got to put the little pins in there. And this one, there's a bedabble of solder on the side and one on that side. So I'm hooking them up either on the inside or I'm not sure if I should pull the whole thing apart, But I'm probably gonna one at a time take a photo and I'm gonna do something. Should be just fun, just lovely fun. Also, I was attempting to pull this wire over the top of it and I give up. So I probably should put soap in it because it would probably go if I was just pushing it through. The other one I put a rope through. First I dangled the rope through it and then I pulled it through with a rope. That was the other piece right over here. This is the one I finished. This is the good one. This is an 86 one. I think it's the same as this. See, that'll go on my 86. See the difference? Like this is, needs some white, needs some color. But at least this one let me put my glasses on. This one I put a brighter color switch. I cleaned up the knob there and I think I did it's a lot better. It used to look something like, I'll show you. I have another one here. Where did it go? I don't have to show you. But anyway, I re-sleeved this one. So the other sleeve on this, the covering was so bad it was cracking like, it was like potato chips. That's how bad it was cracking. And I put them in a nice little bag. So with that said, that's what I'm gonna do. The fun part is if you buy if I find another, what do you call it? Well, now that I know, now if I find another nice one like this, I'm gonna replace the other one. The one over there with something nice. I was gonna replace the hand grips, they look nice. And I'm gonna clean off the rubber parts and that's it. So anyway, I'll shut the hell up now because it's 13 minutes later. And I hope you like, subscribe, and tell all your friends I'm have my own channel, the Honda stuff. So thanks for watching, Toodles, and I'll see you in the future. Don't forget to click buttons and all that crap. Thanks for watching.